Hello, welcome to Bunko Junko, where we upcycle textile scraps and work towards sustainability. Today we are here to make DIY Rakhi with scraps. Isn't it interesting? So let's get started, for which we will be requiring some fabric scraps, a cord or ribbon, matching threads and buttons or beads. First step, here we will be cutting fabric scraps into circles 2 inches and 4 inches respectively. Here the red piece is of 2 inches and yellow is of 4. Then moving forward, we will make a running stitch to the edge of each circle respectively. For making flower petals, pull the thread and secure the flower with a knot. Moving to the next step, let's assemble the flower. Yellow will form the base, and red on the top of it. Adding this button will give it a finished look. Now attach the string to the flower and finish it by trimming loose threads and ensure all the parts are attached securely. Here is your DIY Rakhi ready to tie to your brother's hand. Try and let us know in the comments below your creativity and your step towards sustainability. Thanks for watching.